Today, we will discover how to spot setups quickly. We will be observing the price action in detail for momentum trading. Furthermore, we will improve our trading skills to achieve pro trader level. If you are ready, let's go! Today, I'll show you one winning and one losing trade, and also share the easy secret of trading that everyone keeps forgetting. By using our lovely indicator called ICT high time frames, we were able to see possible entry location in this coin. But also we can read more than that. We can read the power and the momentum. Notice the two are chart deep on the right. How the imbalance fails right here. After that, bullish imbalances appear and hold really well. This is the easiest trick that you can see the dominance in the market. If you just check the recent price action, price is holding against these three multi-imbalances, giving us a possible entry zone. When you open your lower time frames, like in this case, it is the 3-minute chart on the left, you will notice the exact reaction point right here. Let's check it out in even closer action. What happens here? An inner liquidity sweep, followed by market structure break, leaving this entry imbalance, also overall inner SR Philip location. What an amazing trade, right? It is just amazing two are set up here. Or it is not. Let me show you a loss right now. Here is another coin from today called Bread. Again, you can notice the multi-imbalance area, a great location of an entry. This time actually 3 imbalance type at once. Again, opening the 3-minute time frame on the left, so we can see the exact point of the reaction. Just like the previous example, everything is same. Now, I am zooming again one more time to talk about the exact entry. In our entry location, price sweeps inner liquidity, then a very strong market structure break. It is also a great inner SR wave location again. Then this great imbalance area. What an amazing setup to enter. But wait a minute, it failed, it just stopped out. What a crappy indicator and a strategy. It is just crappy and useless. I must quit trading right today, right now. Just look at these two trades, two different coins on the same day. One win and one loss. And it is 100% same setup. We must think about this for a second. So let's question this. What really just happened here? The winning setup, multi-imbalance area, inner liquidity sweep, inner SR Philip zone, market structure break, and imbalance entry. What about the losing setup? Multi-imbalance area, inner liquidity sweep, inner SR Philip zone, market structure break, and the imbalance entry. Wait, what? 100% exactly the same setup. Zero difference at all. How is this even possible? It sometimes works, and it does not work another time. It is all because you cannot see the future. Every strategy will work and fail. Most traders avoid accepting this. You are avoiding accepting taking a loss. Your inner fear does not accept this reality, and it keeps searching for that holy grail with 100% win rate. However, the secret you seek is actually already here. It is inside mathematics and statistics. If you just take the same setup 100 times, just like tossing a coin, if it only works 50 times and fails 50 times, then you'll be making money. This is the end of story. This is the end of your holy grail search. This is the truth that you have been seeking for years after years. Okay, folks, have a great and nice day. Remember to manage your risks. See you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you